Autodesk Inventor helps you to collaborate with your team both inside and outside your organization. Inventor's shared views are a simple and secure method for working together as a team on a visual representation of your design, from any location on any device. Share a view of your design directly from inside Inventor to create a 2D or 3D viewable which can be reviewed with virtually any cloud-connected browser or handheld device. Reviewers don't have to be CAD users, and they don't have to download or install any software to collaborate on your design. They just need the secure web link. Reviewers can navigate, section, and even explode the 3D model. The focus for shared views is work in progress feedback. The 2D and 3D viewables are temporary visualization files, not your native CAD data. These temporary visualization files automatically expire unless extended by you. Take measurements and take a screen capture of your design to share outside the viewer, or print out the views that are important to you. Use markup tools to add notes and comments directly to specific areas of the model. All model information and structure can be shared with the reviewer. All markups and comments are listed within the viewer, making it easy for you to keep track of the contributions from other team members. Click on a previous comment to take you to the same view that was current when the comments were added. Access the saved views and comments from any device, such as your mobile phone or tablet. All the same features and functions are available. Feedback is up to date for everyone to review, whether you're in the Autodesk Viewer web client or in the Shared Views panel within Inventor. Autodesk Shared Views help you to connect and collaborate with your extended design team. Ensure that your designs are correct and coordinated, and support review and commenting from non-CAD users with Autodesk Shared Views.